leaving the tea factory now.
Hi, I'm Uncle Pong. Welcome back to my channel.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the
It is now lunchtime and we're looking for a place to eat.
hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
This is Maharaja's restaurant, an old British establishment they turned into a restaurant.
Long time, huh? Long time, huh? Huh? Not last night, you
Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals.
Here, you see? Wow.
Hold tight, chemicals collide.
We had Indian traditional lunch.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
And we're back on the road again.
Paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
This is Benchmark Tea and Chocolate Factory. We had our tags for the tour.
It's too cold in here.
So it goes like they are withering the leaves and turn it into tea.
So now we're trying to test the tea. Though it's too cold outside. Tea tasting. They have complimentary tea on the museum.
Taste test.
It's good when it's free. now we had our complimentary tea. We had enough, and Rasheed now is pretty happy with his tea. You had the tea also? Yeah. How does it taste? Yeah, it's good because it's fresh. Right direct from the factory.
This is for really camera and video. Yeah, it's very nice. It's very good.
Yeah.
It's made from Japan.
No, this is China. Everything now is made in China. Because this one only is stabilized. I'm from the Philippines. We had a new friend.
Try the taste.
Yeah,
You tried?
yeah. I find it very interesting because it's fresh.
You have more of varieties there. Just your tea. This is for your tea.
Mm-hmm.
It's a very favorite in China. It's a very famous in Chinese tea. Green long.
Actually, in Philippines, we don't drink much tea. We are coffee people.
No, I am telling the coffee. But I am telling the China.
I'm from the Philippines.
Philippines. Philippines is coffee specific.
I just had one already.
This is
Another tasting.
tea leaf. Camellia sinensis.
That's another new lesson. We got a new tea tasting. So I tried the regular tea and the ginger tea. It's 2 tea. I'm full. I can't finish it all. I can't have one more. Uncle Pong here. Yeah. And they have this chocolate production also. Now we're leaving the tea factory.
എവിടെയാണ് ആർക്കെങ്കിലും അറിയാന് എത്താണ്
That's why they have so much markets in it.
Yeah, so, every year some flower show here.
Okay.
But flower show, not now, May.
Every
May, yeah.
every time flower
so
coming.
worldwide is on here, flower show.
Botanical garden. Now entering the botanical garden with Rasheed and his family. Where are they? Where are they? Okay, I'm in between India and Kerala. I mean, India and inside India. I'm between India.
Botanical garden.
What do you call this one?
Botanical garden.
Botanical Garden of what city? Ooty. Yeah, Ooty Botanical Garden.
Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the
I found a new friend. His name is Lonnie. Hi, Lonnie. Oh, you're so snub. How are you? Umiyak si Baby Eisen because it's his baby time. He's inside the car right now. And Rasheed happens to be my friend back in Qatar and Saudi Arabia. This is the Pine Park, Pine Forest Park. On the other side, eucalyptus trees flourishing. Well, I guess that's the end of the vlog for our Ooty trip. If you're new to my channel, please like, comment, and share, and subscribe. Consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. See you on the next vlog.